Welcome to Mathotropism. This is a part of the CC series where the common confusions are addressed, and here we are going to see how to factorize a quadratic polynomial involving square root terms. So let us take an example of x square plus root 2x minus 4. The general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where we know that we will take AC and split it into two factors such that they add up to b. The same thing is going to be followed, but since there is a square root term in b now, we are going to split the b into two factors. The whole number part, let us take it as p, and the square root number part, which is q. Next we will be prime factorizing AC, and then we will identify a factor of AC which can be split as the square root number given in the question as b. The balance factors we are going to split in such a way that they add up to the whole number part. And finally continue with the normal factorizing. This is quite confusing, but when we see the example, we will get a clear idea. So let us take the example x square plus root 2x minus 4. My b is root 2. So the first step which we saw was we have to split b into a whole number part and a square root number part. So b is plus 2 which can be split into plus 1 into root 2, where plus 1 is the whole number part and root 2 is the square number part. Next we have to prime factorize AC. Now AC is nothing but 1 into minus 4. So after splitting it comes to minus 1 into 4 can be split into 2 into 2. We have to identify the factors of AC which can be split as Q. Now Q is root 2. So it means I can split only 2 into 2 root 2's. So AC can be written as minus 1 into 2, and the balance 2 I am splitting it into root 2 into root 2. Since I need only 2 to be split into root 2. After that, the balance factors are minus 1 into 2. Now I need to split it such that they add up to p. That means plus 1. That is the whole number part. And I know minus 1 into 2 can be split as plus 2, and minus 1. When they add, we get it as plus 1. So the correct splitting of AC will be plus 2 and minus 1. Now we will just add the balance root 2's, two root 2's which are there equally among both. So actual AC is minus 1 star 2 into root 2 into root 2. That can be split into plus 2 root 2 and minus 1 root 2. I am just adding the root 2's in the two split up positions. That's all. What we need to do is we will now factorize it in the normal way. So x square plus root 2x minus 4. So it comes to x square plus that middle term can be now written as the factors which we found. So plus root 2x minus 1 root 2x minus of, again, since the middle terms are in root 2, 4 again is being written in the way in which we have already split it in the third step. That means AC is split into root 2's, no? So that step we have to follow. So again there is 2 into root 2 into root 2. Now in the first two terms x is common, so we take one x outside and the balance remaining terms in the first term is x and the second term is 2 root 2. And similarly in the next two terms a minus is common, a root 2 is common, and the balance remaining terms are x minus 2 root x plus 2 root 2. So it comes to x plus 2 root 2 into of x minus root 2. So factorize 6x square plus 15 root 15x minus 5. So b is plus root 15. So it means plus 1 into root 15, where plus 1 is the whole number part and root 15 is the square root number part. Now root 15 is not a prime factor, so I am just splitting it into root 3 into root 5 to make it into prime factors. That's all. So the b is now plus 1 into root 3 into root 5. Next I take AC. I need to prime factorize AC. So it is nothing but 6 into minus 5. 6 can be split into minus 1 into 2 into 3 into balance 5. I can write it just like that since it's already a prime factor 5. Now after that I have to see which factors can be split into square root terms to make Q. So 3 and 5 need to be split. So AC is now written as minus 1 into 2 into root 3 into root 3 into root 5 into root 5. Now I need to find the factors of AC, balance factors of AC in such a way that it add up to plus 1, the whole number part of B. So minus 1 star of 2 can be split into plus 1 into and minus 1. So what happens, I'm just again adding all the square root terms. So now AC with the square roots is minus 1 star 2 into 2 into root 3 into root 3 into root 5 into root 5, which can be split into plus 2 root 15, because that is what is root 3 into root 5. One I have sent here and one the other way. So minus 1 root 15. So now I do the final step of factorizing. So 6x square plus root 15x minus 5. I am going to take 6x square plus, first split it into the two terms I have split it into. So plus 2 into root 15x minus 1 into root 15x minus 5. Now next step, I'll split all the things according to the step 1 and step 3. In step 1 we have split B, and in step 3 we have split AC. Same way we are going to split. So what is happening? 6 is nothing but 2 into 3, but 3 has been split into root 3 into root 3. So I'll write it as 2 into root 3 into root 3 into x square plus of, again root 15 has been split as root 3 into root 5 in the first step. So plus of 2 root 5 into root 3 into x minus again minus 1 of root 5 into root 3 into x, and minus 5 has been split as minus root 5 into root 5 as per the step 3 where AC has been split. So if we take the first two terms, we have a 2 common and a root 3 common and an x common. So I take that outside. So 2 root 3x is outside, and what remains inside is root 3x plus of root 5 minus again the whole in both the terms root 5 is the only one which is common. So if I take root 5 outside, balance remaining terms is root 3x plus 1 root 5. So if I take the common ones, I get root 3x plus root 5 into 2 plus 2 root 3x minus root 5. Hope you understood and find it easier in the future. Thank you.